Hello, my name is Fiske. I'm your life coach. I'm glad that you're watching this today because I regularly offer free workshops, free developmental workshops in Basingstoke area to small groups. I specifically do it to small groups so that it makes it very friendly, non-threatening, useful. You can get involved, but it's not overwhelming. So they are very small groups. It's very interactive and very personal. The three subjects I offer through the year are confidence building workshop, a stress management building workshop or a stress management workshop, and on occasions, usually at the beginning of the year, either a goal setting type, realize your potential type workshop to set you up for a strong year where you can sit and write some goals and sit and plan the year ahead, how you want it to be, review the previous year. These are 2-hour workshops. I run them, the other two, the confidence and the stress workshop, I run around about 3 times a year, depending on interest. So if you're interested in one of them, then notify me, drop me an email or go on the website and the contact form. Because as soon as I get the right number of people interested, I then put a date in the diary. That's usually how I do it. So if you are interested and you have a friend or an acquaintance who you also feel would be interested, then get them to sign up too, and that will speed up the date in which I will be running that workshop. As I say, the goal setting or realize your potential workshop is generally about once a year. They are 2-hour workshops where you get involved. They are fun, they're interactive. This is me. I make it very user-friendly. It's non-threatening. It's a taster, really, for who I am, how I coach, my style. You get to know the rest of the group. You can then, if you like each other, which is often the case, sort of progress together. You can exchange emails if you want to and buddy up with somebody to keep your confidence building going or your stress management progress going, etc., etc. So there are little activities involved. They're packed with tips and techniques, and they're very tailored to you. It's not listening to me run hundreds of slides for 2 hours or anything like that. It's not a talk at you kind of presentation for 2 hours. It's interactive workshop. So you bring pen and paper, be prepared to do some activities to troubleshoot your own issues, whether it's your own stress, to understand your own stress, your own stressors, how to manage those stresses, how to minimize them. I give you strategies and techniques for reducing your stress, for managing your stress, so on and so forth. So you come out at the end of the 2 hours with a little action plan and a change in how you're going in your life, how you're running your life in terms of your stress management, your time management, that sort of thing, work-life balance. The confidence building workshop is very much about where you've got struggles with your confidence, where your weaker areas are, where you self-doubt. It'll give you, again, tips and techniques on how you can start building your confidence up in the real world, back out there, and off you go. And of course, thereafter, you always know who I am, how I work, and if you want one-to-one help, you know where I am and how I would approach that. So if you're interested in one of the free workshops, please let me know. I am Dawn Fiske, and I hope you've found this video helpful. If you want any more help from me, I do a free podcast. So sign up for my podcast on the website where you can subscribe, and it can land into your inbox each week when I release a new episode on all sorts of life coaching topics, confidence building topics, stress, all of those sorts of things. So I genuinely hope that's been useful for you today, and contact me if I can be any further help.